Welcome to JAWS classes. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence twice, and improve your spoken English. Here are all the sentences repeated twice. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready for work. Could you please help me? Could you please help me? I didn't understand what you said. I didn't understand what you said. Please speak a little slowly. Please speak a little slowly. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'll call you later. I'll call you later. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. Please wait for a moment. Please wait for a moment. I'm a little busy right now. I'm a little busy right now. Let me check. Let me check. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. That sounds good. That sounds good. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. I don't think so. I don't think so. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Take your time. Take your time. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Where are you going? Where are you going? What time will you come? What time will you come? Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? I'm feeling tired today. I'm feeling tired today. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Have a great day. I woke up early today. I woke up early today. I'm getting late. I'm getting late. I need to leave now. I need to leave now. Please close the door. Please close the door. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. Please open the window. Please open the window. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. It looks like it might rain. It looks like it might rain. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. Where did you put my phone? Where did you put my phone? My battery is almost dead. My battery is almost dead. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. The internet is not working. The internet is not working. Please send me the details. Please send me the details. I'll message you tonight. I'll message you tonight. Did you get my message? Did you get my message? I missed your call. I missed your call. Who is calling me? Who is calling me? Please answer the phone. Please answer the phone. I'm having breakfast. I'm having breakfast. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? The food tastes delicious. The food tastes delicious. I'm not hungry right now. I'm not hungry right now. Could I have some water? Could I have some water? Please bring me a cup of tea. Please bring me a cup of tea. The coffee is too hot. The coffee is too hot. I'll cook dinner tonight. I'll cook dinner tonight. What should we make for lunch? What should we make for lunch? Let's order something online. Let's order something online. I need to buy groceries. I need to buy groceries. We are out of milk. We are out of milk. Please make a shopping list. Please make a shopping list. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? This is too expensive. This is too expensive. Do you accept card payments? Do you accept card payments? Please give me the receipt. Please give me the receipt. Keep the change. Keep the change. Where is the nearest shop? Where is the nearest shop? How can I get there? How can I get there? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Please show me the way. Please show me the way. Take the next left. Take the next left. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. The bus is coming. The bus is coming. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. Let's take a taxi. Let's take a taxi. How long will it take? How long will it take? There is a lot of traffic. There is a lot of traffic. Please drive carefully. Please drive carefully. Stop here, please. Stop here, please. I have reached home. I have reached home. When did you arrive? When did you arrive? I'm waiting outside. I'm waiting outside. Come inside, please. Come inside, please. Please sit down. Please sit down. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room. I'm washing my clothes. I'm washing my clothes. The house looks beautiful. The house looks beautiful. Please keep it clean. Please keep it clean. Don't make too much noise. Don't make too much noise. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna take a shower. I need some rest. I need some rest. I couldn't sleep well last night. I couldn't sleep well last night. I'm feeling much better now. I'm feeling much better now. You look tired. You look tired. What happened to you? What happened to you? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. Be careful next time. Be careful next time. Please don't touch that. Please don't touch that. This is very important. This is very important. I have an idea. I have an idea. Let's discuss it tomorrow. Let's discuss it tomorrow. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Give me some time to think. Give me some time to think. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. You did a great job. You did a great job. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Mistakes help us learn. Mistakes help us learn. Practice makes you better. Practice makes you better. I'm learning something new. I'm learning something new. How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? Could you correct my English? Could you correct my English? Please write it down. Please write it down. I'll remember that. I'll remember that. That's a good question. That's a good question. I have no idea. I have no idea. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. Let's talk again soon. Let's talk again soon. Thank you for learning with Josser classes. Practice these sentences every day to improve your spoken English. Like, share, and subscribe for more useful English lessons. See you in the next class.